What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Shin Shadow from the Sonic tapes. Let's begin all the way over towards the left side of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start from the very top in the middle, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. Along the top of the nose, add a small circle for highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now from here, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the mouth. Let's start from the side of the nose on the left, curve this down, and then all the way up on the right side. It's going to round out the mouth, come down, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the side. We're going to draw the left side of the mouth. We're going to go up, and then down. Now let's bring that down towards the same height. Curve this all the way around, and then down towards the bottom. Now we want to pull the mouth back up along the center. Up from the left, round up the mouth, come down, and blend that out. Let's go to the right side of the nose. We're going to draw the top of the muzzle, then it's in and then down. Now you want to create a fold, so we're going to step back up, bend this up around the corner of the mouth. Just want to trace the mouth coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the left side. From the side of the nose, going around the mouth, come all the way down, and then back in. Let's pull the mouth up in the middle. Now there's two sets of teeth across the top and bottom. So we're going to start with the top set first. Starting from this curve, come down and then in. Round out the teeth, go across and then up towards the right. Let's layer the second row in behind. So we're going to step in, angle this down. Follow that same curve going across and then up. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth starting with the front row. Go up and in, curve up and then down. Now from this point we're going to step in, angle this up again, curve across and then down. Now over on the right side we're going to draw the edge of the tongue. Going in and then down. This around and up underneath the teeth, step in, add a curve going the opposite direction for the throat. I'm going to fill this inside area in black. Now let's go in and separate the individual teeth. Starting from this point, we're going to go up and then down to expose the gum line, go up underneath, and come down. Now I'm just going to work our way across towards the right. Just add these little gaps. The gum line, going up and down. Let's add a few more. Let's add in that bottom row, going up and then down, and again just continuing all the way across. Let's add that bottom row, starting from this point, again coming down and up. Down in behind the lip and continue up on the right. Now that final row, starting from the top, coming down and up, and again just repeating this all the way out towards the right. Now that we've completed the mouth, let's move to the center of the muzzle. We're going to draw a fold in between the brow. We're going to go up, then across, go back down over towards the left side, bend this out, and then up across the top of the brow, move over towards the right, going up and then out. From the top of the brow, we're going to step down, round out the eye, coming down and in. And then from that top point, bend this down and in towards the side of the eye. Now I want to draw that first spike across the top of the head. So let's start on top of the left cheek. We're going to bend this up around the eye, go across, and then out. From here, bend this in, and then down. Let's add that red stripe in the center of the head. We're going to start on the left, bend this down and in towards the middle. And I'm going to curve this up and out towards the right, and then bend that up towards the side. Let's layer the second spike in behind. So we're going to step up, and it's up and then out, come in, and then down. Now from this point, we're just going to taper out towards that point. Let's add one more point. Stepping up, going out and then down, coming in and then down. And again, from this point, we'll add that stripe. Now let's go back down and draw that front arm. Starting from the side of the mouth, then it's up and out, come around and then in towards the wrist. Round out the wrist, going up. Now let's follow those curves along the outside of the arm, going up towards the elbow, and then bend this back in towards the mouth. We're going to wrap a thick ring around the cuff. So from this point, we're going to step up, draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back in. Let's move up, add a seam, and then in the middle, draw a straight angle line coming down. Let's go to the inside of the ring, drawing the thumb, coming in and then down. Curve this up and across towards the first finger, coming down towards the claw. Then it's up and in. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. Starting down the side, go out and then down, go up and in. Let's do that one more time. Coming down toward the claw, pull this in toward the side of the ring. Now let's layer that hind leg in behind. Starting from the side, we're going to bend this up and out, come around and then down, round up the base of the leg. Now again, we're just going to follow those curves going up towards the knee, bend this in and then down. Now just like we did in front, we're going to add in that ring. Stepping up, drawing that oval, going all the way around, step up, add a curve, and then a seam coming down the middle. Let's go to the inside of the ring and draw the heel, coming out and then down towards the bottom, round at the bottom of the foot, going out towards the toe, curve this up towards the ring, and just bend that down. Now I want to add a thick sole across the bottom. It's going to follow that same curve going across. From the top of the foot, add a seam coming down, go underneath the ring and draw that again. Now we're going to add in the tail. From this point, we're going to step up, come down, and then up toward the tip. That's going to work our way back in underneath the mouth. We're going to come down, in behind the ring, continue that curve in between, and just pull that up underneath. Let's go back and add that stripe, going down and up towards the tail. Let's draw the left leg underneath the mouth. So we're going to start with that ring, starting underneath the lip, going around, in, and back up underneath. Let's go to the inside and draw the thumb, coming in and then down. Goes up across the hand and then down towards the claw. Pull that back up and then in. Let's layer two more claws in behind from the top, going out and down. And then do that one more time. Now underneath the mouth, we're going to add some fur across the belly. Starting from the side, come down and in, add a point. I'm going to add a couple more. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. The Shin shadow from the Sonic tapes. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.